Okay, hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. Welcome to English with Adrian, helping you expand your English and speak like a native Englishman. So, let's have a look today at reflexive pronouns. What are they all about? How do you use them? I don't understand. Yeah, I don't quite understand. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So, reflexive pronouns show that the subject of a verb is the same as the object. The subject of a verb is the same as the object, and we can use them for emphasis. Emphasis, to emphasize a point. They are made by adding plus self, and selves, depending on whether it's singular or plural, 2 plus. So the subject of a verb is the same as the object. Okay, let's look at some examples. So he cut himself. He cut. Oh, he cut himself. He cut himself while climbing. So he, the subject, himself. The verb is happening to the subject, referring back to himself as he is affected by it. I read. I, subject, read. I read to myself. I read to myself. I talk to myself. Yeah, talk to myself. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Yes, I'm referring back to myself, the one that's speaking. Or even if it's plural, themselves. They are talking to themselves. They are reading among themselves. I am talking to myself. So the object and pronouns and the reflective pronouns. So there's some differences then. I, me, myself. Me, myself. Me, myself, and I. Yeah. You, yourself. Notice again, S-E-L-F, S-E-L-F, and selves, S-E-L-V-E-S. 2 plus 1. Me, myself. There's only me, myself. I'm talking to myself. You, yourself. You are talking to yourself. You, yourselves. You, yourselves. Yourselves. Sort it yourselves. Her, herself. The water is for her. She is drinking by herself. No one else there by herself. Him, himself. Him. Let me think. Him, himself. He himself. Maybe he himself. He himself. He is going to the shop. He is going to the shop by himself. He is going to Gibraltar. He went to Gibraltar by himself. Itself. It. The cat is cleaning itself. The dog is barking by itself. Is running in circles by itself. Yeah. Us, ourselves, us. Yeah, us. What about us? What are we going to do with ourselves tonight? Where are we going to go? We can't go to the shop by ourselves. We're too young. We can't go. We could go to France by ourselves. Not a problem. We could go to Spain by ourselves. An idea. It's an idea. Them. Themselves. Them. What are they doing? They're talking with themselves. They're partying by themselves. by themselves. They're partying by themselves. Yeah. So I taught myself the guitar. Myself, the guitar. I taught myself how to play the guitar. You must prove yourself. You must prove yourself worthy to join the team. The team. Jessica taught herself the piano. Oh, I'm going to sneeze by myself. Oh, maybe not. Jessica taught herself the piano. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum, da-da-dum. It flew by itself into the nest. The bird. It flew by itself. It didn't need our help. It was a party for just ourselves. Just ourselves. No one else. No one there, no one here, no one there. It was a party for just ourselves. Just us. No one else, just ourselves. They are teaching themselves Spanish. They are teaching themselves Spanish. Hola, señor. ¿Cómo estás? Soy fantástico. I know. Not estoy, soy. Okay. They're teaching themselves Spanish. Yeah. Yeah, so they're referring back to themselves by using a reflexive pronoun. He, himself, her, herself, it, itself, me, myself. Yeah. Okay. Let's have a look then. So, some verbs cannot be reflexive, as some verbs are not followed by a reflexive pronoun. Some verbs don't always need a pronoun. Not always. I'm really annoyed. I can't relax. I can't relax. I can't relax. I'm really annoyed. I can't relax myself. Relax myself doesn't make sense. I can't relax. Makes sense. I'm really tired. I can't concentrate. I can't concentrate. I'm just so tired. Yeah. I can't concentrate myself. I will stop playing if you can't concentrate. Yeah. Concentrate. I don't need to put myself. No, just concentrate. That's it. Just myself. Just no need. Let's meet in the morning. I try to hurry up and not waste time. Waste my own time. I try to hurry myself up. Let's meet in the morning. With us, just sometimes don't need a verb. Don't need the pronoun. That makes sense. But a common mistake though. Look at this. Common mistake is that it can only be used if the object and subject are the same and in the same tense. Object and subject are the same and in the same tense. So look. Jessica invited me and James to the party. Correct. Jessica invited ourselves, me and James, to the party. Jessica invited myself and James to the party. Wrong. It's me. Jessica invited me and James to the party. Jessica invited myself. Jessica invited myself. No. The subject, Jessica, invited me, because the reflexive pronoun again talks about making the subject and pronoun the same thing, same person. Jessica, subject, invited me and James to the party. You could say, I invited myself to the party. Yeah. I'll invite myself, thank you very much. Yeah. That's correct. Yeah. But you can use it for emphasis, but not essential for grammar. Not essential. The manager gave the speech. The manager gave the speech. The speech. The manager gave the speech himself. The manager gave him the speech himself. The Prime Minister will be here in himself. The Prime Minister himself will be here. The manager himself gave the speech. The boss himself will come to the office. The manager gave the speech herself. The shareholders themselves decided against it. the customers themselves are refusing to pay. Yeah, emphasis. Whoa. But adding emphasis to who is giving the talk and what's happening. You don't have to clean up. I'll do it myself. Ah. The food itself wasn't very good, but the music was. Adding more emphasis to who is giving the talk and what's happening. I wanted us to do it ourselves. I wanted us to do it together. I wanted us to do it ourselves together. You will be cleaning by yourself instead. You'll be cleaning instead. You will be cleaning instead. You will be cleaning by yourself. Adding emphasis as to how many more people will be there. Myself or ourselves. But look, what do we got here? Reflexive collocations can have reflexive pronouns too, and follow the pattern of verb, reflexive pronoun plus preposition. Verb, pronoun, and prep. So we're using words together, collocations, with the reflexive pronoun. He still has to familiarize himself with the job. So verb, he has to familiarize himself with. Familiarize himself with. Preposition, with the job. Are you leaving today? Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Remember to enjoy yourself when. Enjoy yourself when. Enjoy yourself when. When you go to the party. So by using a verb, reflexive pronoun, preposition, we can use it with a collocation. Enjoy yourself when. Each other can be used when 2 plus people do something. Do something together. Jessica and Adam looked at each other. They looked at each other. Jessica and Adam looked at themselves in the mirror. In the mirror. They gave each other the look. The look. Well, the look of what? The look of love. The look of fear, hatred, loathing, anything you can think of. They helped each other with their jobs. They helped each other. We need each other. We helped each other care for the house. The house. We cared for the house. We helped each other care for the house. It's quite important. Yes. So interesting stuff, these reflexive pronouns. But remember, we use them with self and selves. Self for one, singular, single, singular, and plural, selves, 2 plus. So we can use them to emphasize that the subject of the verb is the same as the object, referring back to ourselves. I'm going to teach myself Spanish. Yes, I will. Yeah, interesting. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speaking like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos. Until then, bye for now.